Welcome to Best GIS tutorial. In today's lecture I would like to show you how to remove background color from satellite images. So open the software. Now go to add data and connect with the folder from where you can add a satellite image. Here you can see that I add this image to the GIS software. Select the one band. Let's suppose I select this one, then click on add button. So this image is added to the GIS software. I will show you how to remove this background from this satellite image. For removing this background color, you can go to the window tool and go to image analysis. Here you can see the image analysis dialog box is open. Here this is the display setting of this image, and here you can see that the background which is hide. So whenever this is hide, then go to the image here and click on it. You see that when I click on this band, the background and the display setting is become active. So when I click on background color, here you can see that the background color is removed. When I check the background, here you can further clip if extra area come with the satellite image, then you can clip from here. So I just show you that how to remove the background color from this satellite image. When you remove the background color, then close the image analysis dialog box. Now you can further work on this satellite image with no background color. Hope you understand this technique or this method, that how to remove the background color from satellite image. It is so easy.